welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I drew these lips in graphite pencil. Starting by just measuring out with a ruler the width of the lips and the depth, sketching an outline and then rubbing that out with a kneadable eraser to make sure that it's really light and you don't see your measuring marks. I've done them a bit darker for this video, but normally they'd be very light. You wouldn't be able to see the dots or the lines. And now just mapping out the darkest parts of the lips so I can see that center line, and underneath there's a shadow. And now going in with the shadowed parts on the top of the lips, going in with a very light hand using the side of the pencil. You can see that it's quite patchy, it's quite textured. So roughly mapping that out for the first layer and then blending out with a Q-tip. In the past I used my finger, but this has got oils on and it can really smudge the drawing and leave oil residue on the paper, which isn't good. You won't get a smooth finish. Going in with the second layer, mapping out those darkest areas again. So you can see the darker parts of the graphite's now been blended with the rest of the drawing, so having to go in and darken those up some more. It's all about working in layers, taking your time, building up the graphite and then blending out. Tissues work very well as well. Just spreading some of the graphite around the edge of the lips as well. And now going in with an 8B pencil to darken up that really dark line through the centre of the lips. Going in with a lighter hand just to blend that into the rest of the lips. And the shadow on the bottom too. It's really important to not have a harsh line where the lips meet the skin. Actually, it's just a slight gradient in colour. So making me blend sure we put some graphite just above the lips too, and into those darkest parts. Going in with a slightly lighter pencil and blending out that layer. And going in with the next layer, that 8B again, darkening up the midline. Still using a light hand. And just seeing where these shadows are. The top lip is creating a shadow on the bottom lip, so mapping that in. And now going in with some detail because we're quite a few layers in. See the texture of the lips isn't smooth. There's lots of little lines and shadows. So using a light hand to get those textures in and blending once more. Darkening up the shadow under the lips. And now using my kneaded eraser just to pull up some highlights on the bottom, on the top. And then blending those out so they're not too harsh and they are just a gradual change in tone. Starting to add some final details now. This will take a few layers too because you're blending in between. And seeing the edge of the lips, it's not smooth, there are some lines that just blend between the skin and the lips. Really darkening up that midline, it's the darkest part on the reference photo. Making sure we've got it as dark as it needs to be. So now adding some details to the bottom lip. See, there's some creases. And the shadow tends to fall into those creases. Blending out. And then going in with some more graphite. Darkening up the shadows. And then going in with the kneaded eraser again to pull up some highlights. And blending the edge of the lips into the skin again. And blending those highlights in so they're not so harsh. Darkening up the shadow underneath. So that they look a little bit more 3D and pop out away from the skin. Blending that in. Darkening the area a little bit more underneath. And creating some texture on that bottom lip. And also notice there are some horizontal lines as well as vertical, which is not something you'd automatically think, so it's really important to look at the reference photo to be able to get those finer details in. Blending the creases, and there are some shadows in the highlights too. Adding those details to the top of the lips. Final bit of blending, just to smooth everything out. And then adding the graphite where it's been taken up a little bit too much. Final highlights. Finer details. Just tweaking, looking at the reference photo. And the lips are complete.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some tips on how to draw these lips and also how to shade in graphite. If there's anything that you struggle with and you'd like some help with that I can make a video on, then please leave that in the comments below. It'd be great if you could like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next week.